Everyone, it's again with another video. It's like long time making a video. Stop Galaxy review of the HP Pavilion X14 VLDE, and today I'm going to do the review of the Dell XPS 139310, which just released 2021, and Dell XPS 139310 has the Intel Core i7-1165G7, which is ultra portable and with the latest 11th Gen Tiger Lake processor with the Intel Iris Xe graphics. And Dell website you can get $970, and base configuration price is $999, and I like it. It trimmed to the max chassis, a beautiful screen, and a cutting-edge Intel Tiger Lake processor. Have the latest Dell XPS 13 Prime edge status as today's top high-end ultra portables. So with this model, there's another model which also released, the Dell XPS 13 2-in-1 9310. The 2-in-1, which can be 10 mode, tablet mode, and projection mode and laptop mode, which is a 2-in-1. And it's a winning combination of cutting edge performance processor, sleek styling. It is upgraded performance from the Intel's Tiger Lake CPU, which is the 11th gen, and vivid 16 by 10 aspect ratio. We'll get to that in more depth in this review. And it has the USB adapter included in the box when you unbox it, and it has the better battery life than the previous year's model. And sleek, stylish model bodies and everything is more better than the last year's model, and faster processor speed. So I'll be saying some of the brief specs now, and we'll get to that in depth in this full review. So the newest Dell XPS 13 is one of the first ultra portable laptop to come with the Intel's 11th Gen Tiger Lake CPUs, offering speedy, efficient computing for performance and long battery life, as I've told before. This is a 2.8-pound laptop, also has an exceptional 13.4-inch display and a gorgeous chassis, all of which combines to make it our editor's choice pick among the premium Windows Ultra portables. And the price is a bit high, starting at $999 and ringing up at $1649 as tested in this video. And it's worth for the uncompromising fans of cutting edge performance styles. It's like premium, and the ports are also less compared to the HPCs. There's another option which is Intel Evo, and it's also better, but in the Iris Xe graphics you can do video editing, Photoshop, and more. Similar products like this is the Dell XPS 32-in-1 7390, which is also the same price, and then Apple MacBook Pro 13 2020 $1149, and Apple MacBook Air 2020 $799. Asus ZenBook 13 UX 3255 E8, which I reviewed quite a month before, and it is $1398, and more laptops come with similar products. Do the display and performance, gamings, benchmarks, and more. And testing this XPS 13, you can say goodbye to Ice, hello Tiger, welcome. And the new XPS 13 teaches Intel's 10th generation Ice Lake is going to go, and we're going to say goodbye, and we're going to say hello, welcome to the Tiger Lake. So it has the Core i7-1165G7, a quad core chip with the hyper threading that runs at a base frequency of 2.8 GHz, up from 1.3 GHz in the equivalent 10th generation Core i7. The higher clock speed can improve the performance on certain tasks, so the total number of cores and threads remain the same. So it's so better than the last year's model. So the test system configuration and everything, graphics and everything will be done in this video after those introductions and more, after the specifications also. So hey everybody, this is Tech Insider, and this is the review of the Dell XPS 139310, all new for 2021, coming up. Thank you for watching this review. Please make sure that you press the like button, share the video, channel, and subscribe. And as of editor's choice, it is 4.5 rating out of 5, and I like its upgraded performance from the Intel Tiger Lake CPU to the Iris Xe graphics and sleek styling vivid 16 by 10 aspect ratio, and the long battery life USB adapter included, and the exceptional compact chassis. Trimmed to the max chassis, a beautiful screen design, and the cutting edge Intel Tiger Lake processor have the latest Dell XPS 13 affirm its status as today's top high-end ultra portable. The price is starting at $970 at Dell website, and base configuration as is $999, and what I have tested is $1,649. And its limited port selection means like the ports is very less, and it's expensive as configured. And what I have is $1,649, which is like expensive, nearly to the price of the HP Spectre X 6014 and the 30 is the 15. So thank you so much for watching it, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.